guys, hi, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I would like to teach you people some tricks to make money as a Yahoo boy. If you're a Yahoo boy living in Africa, please let me use a broken English so that YouTube will not understand. As I talk and so now, see what we will do. I want some people when they serious to learn. Some people when they serious when want to make money from now to December. People when want to make money from now to December. If you know you are ready to make money from now to December as a Yahoo boy. Now, what you have to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. I want few people that I will teach. I will teach you very well from the beginning to the end. I want few people that will teach you very well. I will give you format, I will give you pictures, I will give you everything you want. I will show you how to become client. I will teach you where to get your clients. So I want few people to subscribe to my page. I started this page today because I just woke up today. I feel like to help some people I need. Some people like me because I suffer so much. I suffer so much in order to get here. Now, I want to use this opportunity to help many people who are seriously. You are not going to pay me. I don't ask you to give me any money. I'm not collecting anything from you. The only thing you have to do is to subscribe to my page, turn on the bell there so you can notify. I'll be posting videos every two days or three days. I'll be posting new updates. If you follow my footsteps, if you follow what I'm showing you, I believe you're going to make it. I believe you're going to just believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. As far as I make it as a dog boy, you're going to make it. Believe in yourself. Just one now, I want to show you things that you need to have in order for you to succeed in it. You see, the one thing with Yahoo is for you to have the normal update. If you have the normal of the format, you have to use, then you will prosper. Now let me show you. For those of you that says I want the format, you can comment on the comment section that you need the format, and I will give you the format. I'll give you the format, but I want you to have many things that you'll be using to do. Then another thing to say, if you're born for Facebook, you know, say Facebook get as it will be for Facebook now. So you get places where you can carry your work to go. If you get clients on talk today or tomorrow, you can go that with that place now everlasting. Nobody could kill it again. I want to show you something. Okay, let's go. Let me show you. One is Hangouts. I want to show you how to create Hangouts. If you are using system, if you are using laptop, now this is how to create Hangouts. Just log into your email. Log your email. This is the first step you have to take as a Yahoo boy. This is the first step you have to take as a Yahoo boy. One is to secure your place of work. To secure your work. Any work that you carry come out here. Here is no blocking. This place that new work that you carry come out here is everlasting. If you open it like this now, this is the hangout here. Can you see what I'm showing you? This is the hangout. Let me show you how you will have somebody in the hangout. For instance, okay, let me use my second email. And this, so you can see what I'm doing. This is your hangout now. Then you want to add somebody to your hangout. See what you will do. Now, you want to add somebody to your hangout, so what you will do? You will go like this. This is your hangout now. Understand? This place is your hangout. Then go like this. Type the person name, the person email, put the person email like this. This is what I'm showing you. If you go here, this plus, you plus it, put the person. Well, you can see my second email have come here. Then invite. If you invite, you come down here, send invite. You send it. It already sent. Then you tell the person to accept the invitation. Person will go, this is the place that they're sending it. Then the person will go like this to his or her email. Then open it. Go here. This is what I'm showing you. Here. You check it. See what I'm showing you now. You come down. You come here. The invitation. You click here. You see? This is my invitation. Accept. Accept it. Okay, let's chat now so you can see. Do you hear it? This is a simple way of it. The simple way you can do it. You understand it? This is the simple way you can do it. You can do video call on it. You can do video call, but later I will show you how to do video call. How you can use how you can do fake video call on it. So I will show you everything. Just do me a favor, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment that you are with me, because I want to help some people. I don't mean everybody. I want to help some people. Be one of the first people that will be benefit from my help. And believe me, from now to December, you are going to make a lot of money. From now to December, you are going to make a lot of money. If you determine to make it, if you determine on yourself to do it, you can do it. Just believe in yourself, you can do it. Then another way you can help your work, because many people don't use a system, don't use laptop. You can go to Skype. You can go to Skype. Just go to Google, download Google Play Store, download Skype. Then you open it. See that? Let my Skype open so I can show you. My Skype open. I can show you what to do. This is the place. You can submit all your work. If you carry your work, come here. Just forget about it. Just be chatting with her or him. Okay? Let's do it now. And you can even bomb on this Skype. You can bomb clients on this Skype. Don't leave your work on Facebook only. Even on WhatsApp, I will show you. As we are going, I will show you how you can do everything on WhatsApp. How you can carry all the go to WhatsApp. How you can change your location on WhatsApp. How you can do fake video call on WhatsApp with minicam. I will show you everything. Even on Facebook, I will show you how to do a minicam video on Facebook. So stick with me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe. If you subscribe, tell me that I subscribe. Be the first people that will benefit from my channel. Just tell me if you subscribe. Go to comment section. Tell me yes, you're subscribed. You will tell me done. Then if I like your comment, then we will talk more. Then I can even give you my WhatsApp. You can chat on WhatsApp. No problem. Let's do it. I want everybody to catch up this year. I want everybody to catch up this year. Okay? Here you can do fake video call. You can do everything here. You can even chat. You can even bomb clients here. Do you see it? All these things are clients. All these things are clients. Do you see? All of them are clients. See? You see? Do you see it? Create a Skype. You create a Skype. Come down here. If you want to type some people now or share if you want to bomb, you can bomb here. Then you say join. Do you see anything here now? These are the people that answer job. You can be asking people. This is free of charge. It's free of charge. Adding people, even for Netherlands. Adding people, no, just bomb. I'm showing you the way you can do it now. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to be part of this. But there's many things I will teach you. Not here. Maybe I will teach you on WhatsApp when you done what I said. Okay, for now, let's take it like that and see the people that see the friends we have. After everything, I will continue teaching you. I'll be posting my video every 2 days or 3 days. I'll be posting my video. If you want to be part of me, it's free for you. I'm going to teach you. Even I'm going to help you to chat your work. If you want it like that, I'm going to help you to chat your work. So that from now to December, your work will drop. No need of going to office, no need of going to office, no need of going to HPS. I'm going to teach you everything. You're going to do everything by yourself. As far as you have network, you have time to do it. You're going to do it. Just believe in yourself. Okay? And the format, I'm going to give you format. We talk about format, I'm going to give you format. But make sure, and I want you to be sure that I'm not doing it free. Yeah, but as I'm starting now, for the first 100 people that will reach me for the first 100 people that will reach me for format, I will give you the first 100 people. I'm taking it down for the first 100 people to reach me on WhatsApp, to reach me on format. I will give you current format right now, American format, Euro format, and the China format. Thank you.